Superhero. Fast attack.
Okay, let's rewind to what really happened for things to end up in such manner. Born Jabulo Mbili, Kotol Vutai was a good boy who tragically lost his mother due to chronic illness.
Manje ngesamile ekhaya umntwana lo.
Hayibo. Wazi bani ekhaya lo funa umbo.
Umbuzo njani loyo? Noma nomfazi nengane le emakhaya. Mina sathi la.
Hayi, anjalo sithanda sana. Impela. Anjalo sithanda sana. Mina nawe sithandana nje nawe. So bengifuna ukuthi sithathe izinto kancane. And just go with the flow. Bese ukuthi ke mase sithathe iqhathela.
Ukuthi nje sesiqalile ukwenza izinto zabantu abadala into ezenziwa abantu abashadile and futhi
Uchadlala.
angidlali sesiva abazali.
He never knew his father, who came to Nkanyezini to work on a road construction tender. He then left with no contact, no trace, literally nothing.
Sure. Yazi indlela engikhethe ngayo malavi ngifisa ukukuthatha inhliziyo yami igcwele izandla zakho nokuyiphatha angifuni ukuqamba amanga lava inhliziyo uyayithatha ufile mkhidu ukhethile manje ufisa nokukushada ufika inhliziyo iphukile wena wasuyikhana ngizothumela umalume lapho kini bezokulana engimele ukwazi mntana umuntu ufile mkhidu uyakuthana akukho kudlula wena vari ngifisa nokukushada
Solami sana sami ngowe wetu bambo lami Solami sana sami ngowe wetu bambo lami Oh yeah ngijabulisa baby Oh yeah ngijabulisa
Hey ngijabulisa nguwe Mona Lisa bayekele bakhulume Hey isoka lakho ijabulisa ukuthi uyanginika uthando Hey ube buya ngami ngabe kade ngakeka Ay uyanginika uthando lweqiniso noma nkulu uyanginesa
Solami sana sami ngowe wetu bambo lami Solami sana sami